when trying to conceive, you will always try different kinds of method. There is nothing that you've not tried, but there is one particular thing I found out that even the natural way is better. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you always for always stopping by, and for those that seen this cutie face for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like, put on your notification bell, yeah, and share the video. As I was saying, let's dive in because I've started already. This is okra soup. If you are trying to conceive, or you know anybody that is trying, yes, just with this recipe and this process, the way I made it, you can decide to use any protein of your choice. Yes, but just try. I would prefer you not to even add any oil, because I added a little oil just because of the kids. But then when you know that yes, you need such, please don't, no need of adding oil. I just added a little. But guys, okra soup, okra alone, okra is a very healthy vegetable that I think also you have to, even for me, it's better for you to eat it alone, not even without any swallow, because definitely when you have it alone, you will know that, oh my goodness. And it's very good for your digestive system as well. It's very easy to digest as well. Okay guys, enjoy the rest of the video.